a series of 200 topics on speaking. Today's topic is evening. Question number 1. What do you often do in the evening? In the evenings, I usually spend time with my family, watch TV, read a book, go for a stroll, or prepare dinner. Question number 2. Do you often study, work in the evening? Absolutely. I frequently study or work in the evenings to stay on track with my goals and tasks. I've discovered that focusing on my job in the evenings keeps me productive and motivated. Question number 3. Do you do the same thing every evening? No, I don't repeat myself every evening. I like to change it up depending on the day and what I'm in the mood for. My evenings benefit from variety and balance. Question number 4. Who do you usually spend your evenings with? My evenings are frequently spent with my family. We all like spending time together and catching up on the events of the day. It's an excellent way to connect and remain connected. Question number 5. Do you do the same thing in the evenings as you did when you were a child? No, I no longer spend my evenings in the same way I did as a child. I used to spend a lot of time outside with my friends back then, but now my evenings are filled with indoor activities like watching TV or reading a book. Question number 6. Do you prefer staying at home or going out during evenings? In the evenings, I normally prefer to stay at home. After a long day, it's a perfect time for me to relax and decompress. Going out in the evenings can be enjoyable, but I usually prefer to remain inside and relax. Question number 7. What do you do when you go out in the evening? When I go out in the evening, I usually visit a restaurant or cafe with friends, see a movie, or visit a bar or club. It's a terrific way to meet new people and have a good time. Question number 8. Do you prefer to spend your evening with family or friends? My preferred evening activity is spending time with family, but I also enjoy spending time with friends. Maintaining a healthy mix of both allows me to maintain contact with my family and friends. Question number 9. What is a popular activity for young people in your country in the evenings? Going out to restaurants, clubs, and parks in the evenings is a common activity for young people in my nation. It's a terrific way to interact and have fun. Text of all questions and answers is in the description.